What's up guys, this is Cookie Monsters here. I'm going to be really quick at this and I'm going to open a 100k pack. Yes, 100k pack. I think they're going to go in about 8 minutes there, so I'm going to open one really quickly. Wish me all luck. Here we go. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. See the season! Yes! Yes! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! 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 Yes! Yes! Yeah! 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 Oh my God. Henry Stankovic. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
How much did he go for?
Oh my God. There we have it guys, I got team of the season Dante in a pack. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah!
Oh, David Villa, that's alright.
How much does he go for? Dante.
Oh my God. Jesus, that was the best. I thought I was going to get a load of shit, but I get team of the season Dante. Oh my God. So there we have it guys, my 100k pack. That kind of sums it up really. Right, we'll store all this into the club. Alright, we'll send Dante to the trade pile. Oh, okay. Oh, we need Walcott, don't we? Walcott goes for a bit. M&EK, mate. So I might quick sell the rest of that. And for a special, we're going to check how much he goes for. Oh God, I fucking can't believe I got. Please go for loads. I'll just type in Bayern Munich to hurry it up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Fucking get in! 200k I think. Is that two? I'd say about 200k. Right. See the lowest by now. Oh my God. Alright,
Dan feels like, he's cracking. And he's like,
there we go.
whoa.
Let's put him up for that. No, we'll play with him actually. We'll play one game with him. So guys, that's it for this 100k pack. I hope you enjoyed it. Please could you like and subscribe, and in the next video I'll be using team of the season Dante. In a bit guys.